Hey, welcome to the video. This is Jai Gallo with Platform. Hope you're having a great day. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to search your members. One of the main reasons that you're going to want to be able to search your members is to be able to find a specific member fast, or a group of members, or a specific segment of members. You want to find them as quickly and efficiently as possible. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. But first, if at the end of this video you have any questions about how to search your members or how to find something in your members' profiles, or you just have a question about anything else with Platform, you can always go to your support hub in your Platform account, and you can look through all of our FAQs, which are just drop-down menus, and you can consume the information here, or you can click chat with us and chat with us live, or you can submit a ticket. Or if you want, you can click the help docs, and it's going to take you to our knowledge base where you can go more in depth about all the features that Platform has to offer. If for some reason you don't have a Platform account, you can go to platformarea.com and get yourself a free trial today and see if it's right for your business. Okay, to search our members, we are going to have to go to where our members are located, and the members are located in this members list tab here. This will be where all of your imported or onboarded members will show in a list format. And at the top here, you can see member info, there's a search bar. So this search bar is our standard search. So you can search things like their name. So let's go ahead and search Nicola and click return, or you can hit search and it will search out and find any members with that name. There's only one in this demo account. We only have 2 members in this demo account here. So there's just one person named Nicola who is rendering right here. We can also search by an email. So let's go back to our member list, the full member list, by refreshing, and that clears the search. Let's search Albert Einstein's email, and we'll click search. And as you can see, he comes up. So if you have any of this information on your member that you're trying to find and you type it in search, they should be able to come up. So that's all great and everything, and we need that. But let's say we want to do a little bit more of an advanced search. We just click advanced search and a new input field will come up. Over here towards the left, there's a drop down that lets you search by tag. So the feature access, yes or no, is essentially whether or not a member has access to a hidden feature or whether they don't. If you're not sure what a hidden feature is inside of your Platform account, you can go to the help documentation and look up the document on hidden features. And there's a full video explaining everything about hidden features. So let's go ahead and search by tag to start. So if we select tag and then we start typing in the name of the tag that we're looking for, it'll pre-populate into this search field and then we can select it. So let's try demo. And you can see demo tag comes up because that's actually one of the tags that I have created in my account. So demo tags, and we click search, and we can see that Nikola Tesla is the only one with that tag. So if we edit him, just to confirm that, you can see he is allocated to the demo tag. So if we go back to the list, and let's just check Albert Einstein just to make sure that that was right, you can see he doesn't have that tag. So that's why the search did not populate him in the list. So now let's go ahead and search by feature access. So let's just check what Albert Einstein has access to. He has access to the merch store. So let's go back to our list. Let's do an advanced search and let's do feature access. And we just start typing in merch store comes up and we do a search. And you can see Albert Einstein, he did show up because he has access to that merch store. Now that does not mean that he paid for the merch store feature if you paywalled it off. If you as a creator in your dashboard set the merch feature or the merch store as a paid feature and he did not pay for it, it will still show that he has access to it because technically he does still have access to it. He just didn't buy it. In the future, we're going to be adding more and more options of what you can filter out by. So keep a lookout for that. So let's go back to the full member list by refreshing and clearing the advanced search. And let's just see if Nikola Tesla had that unchecked. And he did not. So that search worked correctly. And then the other search option here is whether they don't have a feature or not, because sometimes you might want to find everybody who does not have an access to this feature, because I want to find out that list because I want to either send them a broadcast or I want to export them and put them on some kind of email list where I can, kind of prod them back to buying that feature that they didn't unlock yet or they don't have access to. So feature access no is just the opposite of feature access yes. So let's go ahead and do one more search for a tag, and let's go back and do that demo tag. So I did an advanced search of the demo tag. Nikola Tesla popped up just as he did in the first search for this tag. And then one other thing that we can do on top of this is we can also do an action. As we select the members in our list, we can select all of them, or we can just select certain ones that list out. So if I had 10 different members that all had this demo tag, I could go through and select them one by one, or I could select all of them, and then I could perform an action. So I could delete all those people if I wanted to out of my membership. I could export them into a CSV, or I could send a broadcast to them. I'm going to be going over the member actions in another video in more depth. But for the advanced search, it's as simple as that. That's all that's to it. Again, if you have any questions about this, hit us up in the support hub. And until then, I will see you on the next video.